Today we're going to go over the Bosch Universal Plus white mixer. We're going to go over the parts inside the box, how to set it up, use it, and keep it clean. Let's get started. Your Universal Plus mixer is going to have this seal right here. Please make sure that this seal is not broken. Occasionally, when purchasing other items, we here at NutriMill will put those items inside the box and apply our own seal over that. In order to open up your box, please break the seal. You have your user manuals and a supplied bowl scraper. We are going to first remove our plastic mixing bowl from the box. We are then going to pull up on the cardboard sleeve that's protecting our base. We are now going to remove the main body of the Bosch mixer from our box. Here's your Universal Plus mixer right out of the box. Let's go over everything that's inside. You will have your mixing bowl, your lid and splash ring, your dough hook, your plastic whip drive, and your wire whips. We have also included with every mixer purchase our dough hook extender. Let's go over the Bosch Universal Plus base. This has a 500-watt motor that is capable of handling 12 to 14 pounds of dough at a single time. You are also going to notice your speed control dial with 6 different positions. You're going to have 4 different speeds. You're going to have your off and on switch and your momentary pulse control. On the back of the unit, there's going to be a built-in storage area for your power cord. This is going to help keep things tidy on your kitchen counter. On the side of the machine, you're going to notice a high-speed drive port. This port is for an optional blender attachment. On that port, you're going to notice a cap. This cap, if not secured properly, will not allow the machine to turn on. This cap should be locked in whenever the blender attachment is not in use. To take the cap off, you're going to take your thumb and press on the outer tab. You'll hear the click and it'll be able to remove. To know if the cap is secured properly, you also want to listen for that click. We're going to place it in the spot and press down. There is a built-in safety feature on your Bosch. If this cap is not secured properly, it will prevent the motor from starting. If you notice that your Bosch machine is not starting, please check to make sure the cap is secured. Your mixer includes 4 suction feet, which is going to prevent this mixer from wiggling all over the table during mixing. We are going to take our bowl, ensure that the drive shaft is located to the direct connect drive on our motor. We're going to fit that in. We are going to turn the bowl counterclockwise until you hear a click. Your Bosch mixer comes with 2 wire whips. Your wire whips are going to be for light and airy tasks. These are going to be used for your batters, whipping cream, meringue, or even doing homemade butter in your Bosch mixer. Your dough hook is going to be your best friend for making bread. This is your workhorse for kneading doughs or heavy cookie doughs. Included with your Bosch is a plastic whip drive. You are going to connect your 2 wire whips to the included plastic wire whip drive. You're going to find the corresponding arm and attach the wire whip as such until you hear a click. You're going to place your plastic wire whip drive onto the center column of the Bosch mixer. Please ensure that the plastic whip drive is fully seated onto your drive shaft. We are then going to take our standard dough hook and place these corresponding areas with the pin located on the top of our drive shaft. Your dough hook should seat and allow the drive shaft to come up a little bit. The Bosch Universal Plus is great for large batches of dough, but if you find yourself only needing a couple loaves of bread, 1 to 4, we have included our dough hook extender. This is what you will need to use for smaller batches of dough. To attach the dough hook extender to the dough hook, you are going to locate this part and the bottom of your dough hook. We are going to place it as such, and then your goal is to get this part flush. We're then going to place it onto the drive shaft until it locks in securely. The Bosch mixer has 4 speeds. Each one can be used for a different task. Speed 1 is good for stirring. Speed 2 and 3 is what you are going to use to knead your doughs with the standard dough hook. You can also use speeds 2 and 3 for heavy cookie doughs. Speed 4 is going to be commonly used with your wire whips. This is going to be for whipping up egg whites or whipped cream or making butter in your Bosch mixer. The pulse feature on your Bosch mixer is going to be perfect for shredding chicken or quickly incorporating ingredients. When using the wire whips, please make sure that the whip drive is seated correctly on your drive shaft. The wire whips are perfect for stirring wet ingredients into dry ingredients or just trying to incorporate dry ingredients together. When trying to beat egg whites, whipped cream, or make butter, you are going to use speed 4 with your wire whips. The wire whips function with the corresponding teeth on the top. As it turns, these teeth turn, similar to a gear. If you notice your wire whips aren't turning, it's most likely because either the teeth on your wire whip or on the top of the center column are worn or broken. A common question is, how do I knead my bread dough in a Bosch mixer? You're going to focus on your dough hook in speeds 2 and 3. The Bosch mixer is a powerful machine and over kneading is possible, so make sure that you're only kneading your bread dough for 5 to 7 minutes. Check on it often. You'll know that your dough is ready when it feels tacky to the touch but doesn't pull away a large batch of dough to your finger, and when it starts pulling away from the sides. Another method is the window pane method, by taking a small piece of your dough and stretching it out to see if you can see light through it. There are 2 parts to your Bosch mixer lid. You have your splash ring and the top of the lid. When placing your splash ring on your Bosch mixer, please locate the areas for the 4 tabs located on your bowl. We are going to fit it on and twist it counterclockwise until you hear a click. The top of the lid is very similar. We're going to locate the tabs on the top of our lid, find the corresponding area on your splash ring, place it, and turn counterclockwise until it is set. Let's go over how to keep your Bosch mixer clean. The base of your Bosch mixer is a hand wipe only. We recommend a lightly damp cloth. The standard dough hook is a hand wash item only. Do not put this in your dishwasher. Your plastic whip drive and wire whips are dishwasher friendly, so they can be put in the dishwasher or hand washed. The splash ring and lid for your Bosch mixer is also dishwasher friendly. Please make sure that these are placed on the top rack to avoid warping. The dough hook extender is dishwasher safe or hand wash safe. It's up to you. Your mixer bowl is also dishwasher safe, but before it's placed in the dishwasher or hand washed, please remove the drive shaft from your mixer. To do this, we are going to locate the drive shaft on the bottom. Using the 2 white tabs on the bottom of the drive shaft, turn it counterclockwise to release. Then make sure that your pin can fit through the 2 slots and pull it out. Your bowl is now ready to be placed in a dishwasher or hand washed for cleaning. Please make sure that your drive shaft is hand washed. Do not place in a dishwasher. To reconnect your drive shaft, we are going to place it through the center column, making sure that we line up the tabs with the corresponding holes on the top. We are then going to turn our drive shaft clockwise until you hear it snap into place. If you notice a gray or white substance on your Bosch mixer, please know that this is a food-safe lubricant and can be washed off. There is a cord storage in your Bosch mixer. To use this storage, you're going to take your cord and slowly feed it inside of the Bosch. Here at NutriMill, we are always happy to help our customers and answer any questions that you have. If you need any more information or have more questions about how to use your Bosch Universal Plus white mixer, please contact customer service. The Bosch Universal Plus is perfect for anybody looking to get into bread dough or anybody with large families. This thing can handle up to 14 pounds of dough at a time. The plastic bowl is really great because it has a large capacity and flexes with dough. The splash ring gives it a little extra room, as well as keeping your ingredients in the bowl. The Bosch mixer comes standard with a dough hook. This dough hook is going to be your best friend for kneading and mixing dough. The dough hook design is actually going to do a stretch and folding the dough for you as it mixes in your Bosch bowl. The Bosch can make up to 14 or 15 bread loaves at a time, but it can also do your 1 to 4 bread loaves at a time for smaller families. You'll notice that it has a wide footprint and also comes with suction cup feet to keep it secure while mixing. Your bowl is 6.5 quarts, and you're actually going to be able to use all of those 6.5 quarts because of the bottom drive system that the Bosch uses. This thing is an absolute workhorse. If you're looking for a mixer that's going to last forever and take care of all of your kitchen problem needs in one machine, the Bosch mixer is the way to go.